It's skinny linguine clam. Let's get started. We're going to use angel hair today, little neck clams, fresh Italian parsley, lemon, shallot, garlic, chili flakes, some clam meat, nice white wine, and let's get started. Dice a half a shallot. I'd say 2 cloves of garlic. This is like restaurant style, you guys. So good. Half a cup of fresh Italian parsley. Chop that up. Put it aside. All right, clam meat. About a half a cup. 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's start simmering our aromatics. Add some chili flakes and some parsley. I say it looks like Christmas. Add your clams. Toss it up. Don't add the white wine until that garlic is a little brown. Half a cup. Put a lid on it. Can't forget our Parmesan cheese. Once those clams open, take them out, set them aside. Put in your chopped clams, 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it all fall in love in the pan. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, a good handful, some fresh parsley. Toss it up, put it in a bowl, put your clams around it. Lemon zest, Parmesan, chili flakes, more parsley. It's like you're eating a restaurant. It's so good, and it only takes about 10 minutes.